Well, isn't this awesome? We have some new birds, new colorful birds coming to the bird feeder. Look at these two ones. They don't look very happy together. I think they're going to attack each other shortly. And then this one, here's a newbie. Kind of looks like a hobbit bird, but you know what? I really like the beaks on these. I'm not sure what they are. I think they're called chickadees. But you know what? If you're looking for an awesome bird feeder, this is awesome. Feel free to click on my link. It'll take you to the Amazon link. I'd like to see what kind of birds you get on the outside of your window.